Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare yuzu versus lemon. We'll explore the distinct characteristics of these two popular citrus fruits, helping you understand their unique qualities. We'll delve into their origins, flavor profiles, and how they are typically used in various culinary traditions. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of which fruit might be the better choice for your specific needs, whether for cooking, beverages, or simply enjoying their fresh taste. When it comes to flavor, yuzu presents a fascinating complexity. It's intensely tart, yet boasts subtle notes of mandarin orange, grapefruit, and even a hint of pine, making its aroma incredibly fragrant and floral. Lemons, on the other hand, offer a straightforward, bright acidity and a sharp, zesty tang. Their aroma is distinctly citrusy and refreshing, providing a familiar and universally loved taste that is both simple and powerful. In the kitchen, yuzu shines in East Asian cuisine, particularly in Japanese and Korean dishes. Its zest and juice are highly valued for creating aromatic dressings, delicate sauces, and unique desserts, adding a sophisticated, fragrant touch. Lemons are incredibly versatile globally, enhancing everything from refreshing beverages and savory main courses to baked goods and marinades. Their juice is a fundamental acidulant, brightening flavors in countless recipes worldwide. Both yuzu and lemons are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamin C and beneficial antioxidants that support overall health. Yuzu also contains unique compounds like euxanol and limonene, contributing to its distinct properties. However, availability is a key difference. Lemons are readily found and affordable in most grocery stores worldwide. Yuzu, while gaining popularity, remains more of a specialty item, often found in Asian markets and typically at a higher price point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.